welcome back to my channel. Today topic is GATE, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. Is an entrance examination conducted in Indian that primarily tests comprehensive understanding and undergraduate subject in engineering and science for admission into postgraduate program. GATE is conducted by jointly by Indian Institute of Science and 7 Indian Institute of Technology at Roorkee, Delhi, Kolkata, Kanpur and Kharagpur, Chennai, Madras and Mumbai, Bombay on behalf of the National Coordinate Board and GATE Department of Higher Education, Minister of Education, MAE India and Government of India. Type computer-based standardized test developer administrator conducted by jointly by IISc and 7 IIT behalf of the National Coordinate Board, GATE Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education, Government of India. Knowledge skill tested Bachelor of Degree level knowledge of the chosen engineering or science discipline. Purpose postgraduate engineering admission screening for entry level engineering job. Year started 1983, 40 years ago. Duration 3 hours. Score grade range of mark unscaled out of 100 in 0.33 mile in unscaled out of 100 0.33.4 increments. Score scaled by out of 1000 in 1 point increments. Score grade validity 3 years. GATE 2014 onward. Offer one time every year, usually in February 1st or 2nd week. Country region over 100,000 plus center in India, Bangladesh, Ethiopia, Nepal, Singapore, Sri Lanka and United Arab Emirates. Language English. Annual number of test takers 5,17,023. Prerequisite eligibility criteria. Third year student graduate bachelor degree or equivalent engineering, architecture and master of degree or equivalent science of computer application can apply for GATE. Fee inner 900 rupees Indian female SC/ST and physically challenged candidate. Inner 1800 rupees for all Indian candidate. US dollar 100 to 200 for the international candidate. Score grade and used by various Indian engineering college offering postgraduate education. Several public sector Indian companies recruiting engineer. Qualification rate 80% 2023. Website GATE 2024.isc.ac.in. GATE 2024. GATE score for candidate reflect the relative performance level of candidate. The score is used to admission to various postgraduate education program. Example: Master of Engineering, Master of Technology, Master of Architecture, Philosophy, Indian Higher Education Institute with financial assistance provided by MUE and other the government agencies. GATE score also used for several Indian public sector undertaking recruiting graduate engineer entry level position. One of the most competitive examination in India. GATE is also recognized by various institutes outside Knowledge University in Singapore. Financial assistance postgraduate program. GATE is used requirement of financial assistance. Example: scholarship. Number of the program through the criteria differ from admitting and institution. December 15 University Grant Commission and MHRD answer. Scholarship for GATE qualified master degree student increased by 55% from the $8,000 US dollar 100 per month and 12,400 rupees US dollar 160 per month. Eligibility: following student are eligible to take GATE: bachelor degree holder and engineering, technology, architecture 3 year after and 10 plus 2, 10 plus 2 plus 3 ongoing, 10 plus 2 plus 4 plus ongoing, post BSc, post diploma and those other final year such program also free final year in the BTech. Master degree holder any branch of science, mathematics, static, computer application equivalent and those are who are in financial year of such program. Candidates second higher year of 4-year integrated master degree program. Post BSc engineering technology candidate in the 4th higher year of the 5-year integrated master degree program or dual degree program in engineering technology. Candidate with qualified applied by through the exam conducted by professional society recognized by UGC, AICT, AMIE by IE India, AMICE by the Institute of Civil Engineering India, ICE first, AMIETE by IETE India equivalent to BE or BTech. A equivalent who is currently studying 3rd year higher year of any graduate degree program who are also already completed by any government approved degree program in engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce, arts in eligible appear to GATE 2022 examination. Those who have completed section A are equivalent to such a professional course are all eligible. There is no age limit criteria defined by the exam conducting authority appear GATE. Discipline, structure, syllabus and marking scheme. Discipline: at present GATE conducted following 30 discipline. A candidate can select any one or two the subject relevant to his discipline. From 2022, 2 new papers were introduced: GE Geometric and NM Naval Architecture, Marine Engineering, Gate Paper, Code, Aerospace Engineering AE, Instrumentation Engineering IN, Agriculture Engineering AG, Mathematics MA, Architecture and Planning AR, Biomedical BM, Biotechnology PT, and Civil Engineering CE, Petroleum Engineering PE, Chemical Engineering CH, Physics PH, Computer Science and Information Technology CS, Production and Industrial Engineering PA, Chemistry CY, Textile Engineering Fiber, Textile Engineering and Fiber Science TF, Electronic and Communication Engineering EC, Engineering Science XE, Electrical Engineering DE, Life Science XL, Environmental Science and Engineering ES, Humanities and Social Science XF, Ecology and Evaluation EY, Static ST, Geology and Geophysics GG, Geomatics Engineering GE, Naval Architecture, Marine Engineering NM, Data Science and Artificial Intelligence DA, Paper section under the XC star, XL double star and XH triple star defined by some dedicated code which are then mentioned by following table. Engineering Science XC paper section A and any 2R B2H code. Life Science XL paper section P and any 2R Q plus U code. Humanitarian Social Science HF under the XH and paper section B1 any one of the code. Engineering Mathematics compulsory, Chemistry compulsory, Reasoning comprehension, Fluid Mechanics, Biochemistry, Economics, Material Science, Botany, English, Solid Mechanics, Microbiology, Linguist and Dynamic E, Zoology T, Philosophy C4, Polymer Science Engineering F, Food Technology U, Physiology C5, Food Technology G, Sociology C6 and Atmospheric Ozone Science H. Duration and examination type. Examination 3 hour duration and contained by total 65 question worth of maximum 100 mark. Examination for all paper carried out the online computer based test CPT mode are the candidate shown by question random sequence computer science and screen of question consists of some multiple choice question MCQ and 4 answer option out of the which is only one correct and which has been chosen. Remaining question may be multiple select question MSQ 4 answer option out of which is one or more than one and are correct. Hence correct option need to chosen and our numerical answer type of question and NAT answer is real number to enter the verbal ability, English grammar, sentence completion, verbal analogy, word groups and instruction, critical reasoning and verbal deduction, numerical ability, numerical computation, numerical estimation, numerical reasoning and data interpretation. Engineering mathematics not all paper, technical ability, technical question related to paper chosen. Question and marking scheme. Examination will consist of totally 65 questions segregated and 1 mark and 2 mark question. Out of 65 question, 10 question will be from the general aptitude, verbal and numerical ability. 55 question will be technical based paper chosen. The general aptitude section will be 5 1 mark and question, 5 2 mark question accounting for about the 15% of total marks. And the technical section, engineering mathematics section will be combined have 25 1 mark question and 32 mark question accounting for about 85% of total mark. Further, all section may have some multiple choice question MCQR while the question may be multiple select question MSQ and or numerical answer type question. NAT examination award by negative mark for wrong MCQ answer. Usually 1/3 original mark will be deduced wrong MCQ answer, minus 0.33 wrong 1 mark question and minus 0.66 for wrong 2 mark answer. There is no negative mark MSQ and NAT also there. No partial credit MSQ and NAT. Result and test score. GAT and result usually declare about 1 month after examination are over. The result show the total marks scored by candidate, gate score and all India rank AAR. A cut-off mark various category candidate paper score valid 3 years from the date of announcement. Gate result score cadre and are used to do only qualified candidate. Normal is gate score news procedure from 2014 onward. Examination CE, CS, EC, MD and TEE subject being held by multiple session. Hence these subjects suitable normalization applied by to take account of any variation of difficulty level question and set across the different session. Normalization done based on the fundamental assumption that multi-session gate paper distribution ability candidates same across all sessions according to gate committee. Assumption justified since number of candidates appearing multi-session subject by gate 2014 large and procedure allocation of session to candidate random. Further it is also ensured the same multi-session subject by number of candidates allowed by each session same or magnitude. Based on considering various normalization method, committee arrived at following formula calculating normalization mark CE, CS, EC, W and MG subject. Normalization mark candidate session given. IJ is the actual mark obtained by jth and the candidate ith session. MGT average mark of top 0.1% candidate all session subject. MGQ sum of mean standard deviation mark all candidate all session that object by. Average mark top 0.1% percentage candidate. Ith session subject MIQ sum of mean standard deviation mark all candidate. Ith session of subject after evaluation answer normals marks are based on above formula will be calculated using raw actual mark of obtained by candidate CE, CS, EC, W or the ME score will be calculated by using the normals mark all other subjects whose are test by conducted. Single session actual mark obtained by candidate will be used to calculate the score from the GATE 2014 onward year of 2014 to 15 2-year validity period 2018 and GATE of 2013 score candidate GATE score is computed following new for score normalized candidate M mark obtained by candidate normalized mark case of multiple session subject CE, CS, EC, W and ME. M qualifying mark in general category candidate subject by average of arithmetic mark for all candidate subjects standard deviation mark for all candidate subject by MT average mark of top 0.1% candidate subject ST 900 score assigned by MT SQ 350 score assigned by MQ percentile candidate percentile denoted by the percentage candidate scoring lower than particular candidate calculated as the percentile 1 minus all India rank number of the candidate subject into 100%. Formula till GATE 2012 the year of 2013 to 14 2-year validity period of GATE 2013 score calculated using formula GATE score and M mark obtained by candidate A average mark all candidate who appear the subject that year of the mark less than 0 converted 0 S standard deviation mark all candidate appear with the subject in that year with the mark less than 0 converted to 0 age global average mark all candidate who appear the across all subject current and past 5 year SG global standard deviation mark all the candidate who appear across all subject current and past 5 year with mark less than 0 converted to 0 mark ruler for qualifying mark have varied from year of to year qualifying mark out of 100 are different in different subject as well as category qualifying mark out of 100 general GN 25 plus whichever higher other backward classes OBC 90% general category qualifying mark scheduled caste and SC and ST of the 2/3 66.67 general category qualifying mark here mu all candidates subject by negative mark content 0 the standard deviation all mark subject by usually general category qualifying mark 25 to 50% and range of government India implemented reservation for other backward classes college admission public sector job recruitment year of 2008 before the all OBC candidate were included the general category there was no separate candidate appear for 5 subject large number of appear candidates since GATE 2010 electronic communication engineering EC computer science information technology CS mechanical engineering ME electrical engineering ME electrical engineering WE and civil engineering CE all other subject electronic communication engineering computer science information technology mechanical engineering electrical engineering civil engineering GATE statics year of GATE 12 static 3-hour test 21 paper was conducted by 860 center and 170 cities of town across country 2 days computer based online exam 6 paper 29 January 12 offline exam remaining 15 and February 12 February 12 total of the 7,77,134 candidate registered GATE 2012 and 6,86,614 candidate appear for the exam nearly 81% of total number of candidates who appear the GATE 2012 were the from 4 paper electronic and communication engineering computer science engineering technical engineering and electrical engineering total number of candidates qualified GATE 2012 1,08,526 in the year of 30,294 OBC candidate qualified test of Y 3,765 SC ST into 447 physical challenge candidate qualified of 1,85,198 female and candidate who appear GATE 2012 22,896 candidate qualified IIT Delhi zone topped among others the zone of with 18,927 candidate figuring in the list qualified candidate followed by IIT Madras, IIT Kharagpur, IISc Bangalore, IIT Kanpur, Roorkee and IIT Bombay, IIT Kolkata. Total of 1,27,000 registered for GATE 2013 9 lakh plus candidate and appear examination 82.02%, 1,36,699 13.88% qualified GATE 2013. 3-hour test was conducted by 2 days over the 4 session total computer based online exam. 2 lakh candidate in 15 paper were conducted by 572 centers spread over the 123 cities town across the country. 20 January 2013 offline exam 9 lakh plus candidate remaining 192 centers spread over the 190 183 cities, town across country. On 10 February 2013, larger fraction registered men appear 88% of exam than women candidates, 72% of nearby 81% of total number of candidates who appear GATE in 2013 were from the 4 paper electronic and communication engineering 2 lakh plus people, and computer science information technology 2 lakh plus people, mechanical engineering 1 lakh plus, and electrical engineering 1.52, and 20.9% total qualified candidate as per the candidate separate category. General, OBC, NC, SC and ST information among qualified candidates 72,125 belong to general, 41,237 and to OBC NC, 18,936 to SC, 4,401 ST category. Physical challenge candidate comprised by total 1,136 among qualified various category. Top 5 state had qualified candidates. Their permanent resident were the Andhra Pradesh 22,476, Uttar Pradesh 22,400, 9,951, Bihar 9,820, Kerala 8,992. City of New Delhi has maximum number of qualified candidates who had mentioned their correspondent address. Correspondent address it is slightly different bearing compared to permanent state with while City New Delhi maximum number of qualified candidates had mentioned the correspondent address. Permanent resident state often relate to native state or state where the parent of guardian and live. The corresponding city mostly related to the current resident, which is more likely to place study employment. Difficult level GATE for long and has been known as to test of the engineering basis. Smart way complaint and lengthy problem they have been rare of, but the task mastering entire course of engineering around 30 undergraduate subjects. 3-hour test itself give up the test certain level of toughness, and each year only around 15% all appearing candidate qualify. High percentage more than 99th percentage, and some cases required to get admission MTech or ME degree program Indian Institute of Technology, Indian Institute of Science, and get shortlisted job interview Indian public sector undertake. Admission to postgraduate program unlike undergraduate admission must apply individually each institute after institute has published MTech notification usually month of March. The no separate counseling held by admission NIT, IIT, CCMT held every year. The notification released by around April each year. Some institutions specify the GATE qualifications mandatory even admission self-financing. Student postgraduate program GATE qualified candidate and also eligible for award junior research fellow CSR laboratory. CSR sponsored by project top rank holder. Some of GATE paper entitled by apply for and the Prasad Mukherjee Fellowship awarded by the CSR, and some government organization prescribed GATE qualification requirement to applying post scientist in engineering. Recent era various academic have recognized GATE is being one of the toughest exam in category. Some non-Indian university like National Institute of University of Singapore, Nanyang Technology University, Singapore, some technical university, Germany also identify GATE score parameters judging quality of candidate admission their master or PhD program. Some management institute like NITE and Mumbai after offer of admission postgraduate diploma industrial engineering in basis of GATE score. Most Indian institute do not specific cutoff and mark previous year, so their general confusion term of selecting institute and specialization. But recent year IIT Kharagpur and IIT Guwahati have been specifying last year cutoff mark list, and Indian Institute of Technology Delhi has very detailed website postgraduate PG activities and admission where student of can find relevant information cutoff and mark extra. Indian Institute of Science, Indian Institute of Technology most selective followed by National Institute of Technology, and other also there. Some state university and whose of the standard facility very much and comparable top IIT, NIT, some of them Jabalpur Engineering College and the University of Delhi Technology University, Cochin University Science and Technology, CUSAT, Andhra University College Engineering, Osmania University, Bihar Engineering University. Even within the top institute selection criteria vary widely across the department program depending expertise area. Directorate Technical Education Maharashtra State has been also started conducting CAP round from the year of 2013 GATE and non-GATE candidate. All institute Maharashtra offer ME MTech program, CSR JRF GATE Fellowship, Council Scientific Industrial Research CSR interested by Junior Research Fellow JRF and GATE scheme to allow the GATE qualified engineering graduate CPAT qualified paramedical graduate to pursue research through the suitable PhD program CSR laboratory. Stipend tenure fellowship amount of $1,25,000 $1,600 rupees per month and plus $HRA house rent allowance and addition contingency grant by $1,10,000 rupees and $1,500 per annum. Calculate pro rate of the basis fraction of year. Also provided by completion of 2-year JRF GATE fellowship. May upgrade a SRF junior research fellow and GATE stipend may increase to $228,000 $2,900 per month in the subsequent year of basis assessment CSR JRF NET guidelines. Total duration fellowship 5 years within the expect to complete PhD degree. COAP Common Offer Acceptance Portal. COAP is an online portal allow the candidate clearing GATE to register, get call letter from the various IST, PSU interviews after declaration GATE result. Candidate must be applied to the COAP is only platform through the you can book the your seat postgraduate program. Various institute like the IIT recruitment public sector undertaking PSU India for long have been trouble of conducting the recruitment process more than lakh and its student of taking the exam less than 1000 job and selection rate less than 1%. After sensing exponential rising number of engineering graduate India who is wish to get PSU job, PSU have decided to GATE scores shall be primarily criteria. Initially shortlisting change into primary cause for the rapid increase applicant for the GATE 12. Indian Oil Corporation was the first PSU successfully tested out of this system. Was followed 2 years later National Thermal Power Corporation, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited and Bharat Electronic Power Grid Corporation India. Usually these companies release their recruitment notification right after GATE notification, indicating GATE have to take GATE considered job in the organization. List of company. Many companies have signed by memorandums of understanding MOU and GATE of organization committee for using GATE score. Engineering entry level position Bharat Petroleum Corporation, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Lead, Indian Oil Corporation, National Hydroelectric Power Corporation Lead, Power Grid Corporation India Lead and Magazine Talk Lead and Gujarat State Electricity Corporation Lead, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, Central Electronic Lead and Coal India Lead, National Thermal Power Corporation, Punjab State Power Corporation Lead and THD Lead, Odisha Power Generation Corporation, IRCON International Lead, Bharat Broadband Network Limited, National Highway Authority of India, Airport Authority of India, Delhi Metro Rail Corporation, Bihar State Power Holding Company Limited, West Bengal and State of Electricity Distribution Company. Syllabus GATE exam and preparation remains same irrespective of whether one applying job BSc or the seeking admission postgraduate engineering. Change in recent year 2012 only final year student passed out candidate were declared the eligible to take GATE and pre-final year BE and BTech students who are the eligible till 2011 were no longer eligible. Application process was made completely on a candidate give the response ORS and also GATE offer release office solution GATE paper. Admit card was also made by download from the applicable website. Sending admit card post was discontinued. Exam made by changed from the paper based online computer based. 2 additional subject agriculture engineering code AG, architecture and planning code AR and user of pencil dark bubbles in the answer sheet was discontinued by candidate would be used only black ink alpine pens and darkening bubbles in the answering sheet. 2014 new subject ecology and evaluation code EY introduced. Examination for all 22 subject and were the conducted by online computer based test. CPT online examination conducted by some question which is numerical answer must be keyed of the candidate using virtual and on screen keyboard of the keypad. Rest of the question were multiple choice question MCQ type. Female candidate were required to pay the some fee or application changed introduced due to many reasoning complaint about the large portion email candidate registered but did not appear exam 2013. Application fee was increased from 1200 rupees to 1500 rupees general category, OBC male other candidate and rupees of 750 all female candidate and SC/ST male other candidates. GATE score validity increased from 2 years to 3 years. Examination were held during forenoon and afternoon session, alternate weekend, Saturday, Sunday between 1 February 2014 to March 2014. Examination subject by ME, EE, EC and CS was held by multiple session of large number of registered candidate. 2015 entire application process made by online. All required document have to scan by and upload online application system. Candidate no longer have to send the anything by post. Printed hard copy scorecard and no longer sent to candidate. Only digital soft copy scorecard and download by qualified candidate. Final and official GATE website. 2016 candidate not permitted bring their own calculator on online virtual on-screen calculator will be available during examination. Syllabus have been revised from the some subjected. New subject petroleum engineering code PE introduced the has been introduced now. After completion all test session and answer key will be provided by candidate to check the candidate challenge. GATE 2016 answer key nominal fee for the specified time period. 2017 new section has been introduced by Engineering Science XC paper section Atmospheric and Ozonic Science section H international student from country namely Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Ethiopia, United Arab Emirates are now eligible to apply. GATE 2017 2008 while choosing exam center GATE 2018 you have to select the first two choice from GATE and same GATE zone of third choice can be from other GATE zone. Candidate not required to upload the scanned image and their thumb impression while filling the GATE online application. GATE will be held by across 200 cities in India. GATE 2018 will be also held by following international cities at the Colombo, Dhaka, Dubai, Singapore. 2019 GATE 2019 introduced new paper of statics and the code of ST. Candidate who failed to apply the 21 September 2018 can still apply the till 1 October 2018 by paying late fee of rupees 500 and late fee in the case of foreign center $20. 2020 GATE 2020 introduced newspaper and biomedical engineering of the with code BM. Two new subject environmental science and engineering ES, humanities and social science access have been also been added to GATE exam 2021. Also will be relaxation and minimum eligibility applying GATE 2021 due to the COVID-19 situation. As per the announcement, candidate third year of the undergraduate degree will be eligible GATE 2021 to 22. New subject geomatics engineering GE, naval architecture and marine engineering NM have been added to the GATE exam 2022. 2024 GATE 2024 introduced new paper and data science and artificial intelligence DA year and organization institute. Each year GATE organizes on any one of the 8 institute IAS and 7 IIT overall coordination responsibility conducting GATE lies with the institute of which is designated by organizing institute of DOI from the GATE year of GATE. Coaching institute often make the speculation regard topics focus upon the uptrending and upon the institution and the year. Institute GATE edition organized Indian Institute of Science 1984, 1990, 1996, 2002, 2008, 2016, 2024. Indian Institute of Technology Madras 1983, 1985, 1991, 1997, 2003, 2011, 2019, 2027. Indian Institute of Technology Delhi 1986, 1992, 1998, 2004, 2012, 2020, 2028. Indian Institute of Technology 1987, 1993, 1999, 2005, 2013, 2021, 2029. 2005, 2013, 2021, 2029. Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur 1988, 1994, 2007, 2006. 5, 2013, 2021, 2029. Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur 1988, 1994, 2000, 2006, 2014, 2022, 2030. Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur 1989, 1995, 2001, 2007, 2015, 2023. 7, 2015, 2023. Indian Institute of Technology Roorkee 2009, 2017, 2025. Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati 2010, 2008.